Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are stopping by for the very first time, hi, my name is Formosa Fantasy, and here on my channel I do makeup, hair, a little bit of vlogs here and there, and whatever else you guys want to see, right? So I know I've been missing for quite some time and I just popped up. So I am trying my best. There's a lot going on right here with me and my family, so I am just taking it as it goes. So bear with me for a little bit, please. Yes, I'll be trying to post content for you guys once or twice a week. I'm trying my best, but if I slack up, just understand, please. For those of you who don't know, um, I've been suffering from headaches, migraines, you name it. So, for the past few months, I've been having headaches every day. Um, it's not that bad now, thank God. And I'm not sure what the cause of it is, but when that happens, I don't want to do anything, nothing. But it's being improved. My arthritis isn't that bad right now because I changed my medication and stuff like that. So yeah, so I'm gonna try my best to bring content to you. So today I'll be bringing you a date night, my makeup with like a pop of color. I don't know, I have a look in mind, but let's see how it turns out. So yeah. So yes guys, I already did my brows, so now I'm just basing my eyelids with the P. Louise base in Rumor number 2, and I'm just buffing it out with a blending brush. Make sure to blend properly. Then I'm going to go over it with my Laura Mercier powder in translucent and just set my brow bone area to get in some slips. So I'm going to be using my Nubian palette. So if you don't repeat palettes or don't want to this ain't a channel for you, because I repeat palettes don't make no sense. I have them there sitting down, right? So I'm using that light color, it's a matte color, and I'm using that as my transition color with a blending brush. I think this blending brush is from BH Cosmetics. I don't remember. Now I'm going into that second shade, which is a lighter, like a lighter brown, like, yeah, it's an orangish brown, and I'm going underneath that color using my E129 from AOA Cosmetics, yeah, and I'm just going back over the first color for a seamless blend. Now this is the Morphe M506 brush, and I am going underneath again that other color, the second color, so that we can have like a gradient from lightest to darkest or darkest to lightest, whichever way you prefer to say it. And I needed some more depth. All right, so just go ahead and you're just gonna go over each colors, you know, for the desired shape and intensity of the colors that you would like. Yeah, so I'm happy with that. So I'm going to do the same thing with the other eye. So now I'm just taking this a little bit of whatever that was on the brush or on in my palette, and I'm going over my eyelid. I'm not doing a precise cut crease with this, but yeah, you get the drift. So going in my Saharan palette, and I'm just using that orange in the center of my lid. Yeah, this is the color I chose. And I'm going to be using the other color, the dark brown color. It's more like a charcoal like color, and I'm putting it right on the edge. Right now I took the white right here to brighten up my inner corner, my tear duct area, but I wasn't kind of feeling it, so I went over it with the champagne color, because I never wanted it so bright. Yeah, I never wanted it so bright. So I'm just showing you the white, and then I'm showing you the, yeah, that's the color I used instead, to right over on top, right? So I'm just lining my eyes with any gel liner that you have. You can even use a liquid liner, but I wanted to use a gel, so that's what I did. Now I'm taking this. I bought this off Amazon. It's a pastel cake tag. I don't remember. Listen, I'm just using that blue right there, and I'm going on top. So this is my pop of color. So I'm gonna finish everything else off camera, my face portion, because why not? So I'm just putting on a little wing right here. It's a little wing, and I'm gonna go on top of it with the same blue color, right? So I liked what I saw, so yeah, I'm just gonna finish the other eye and then do my other face. So we're back. So I'm using the same gel liner again, and I'm just putting it on my waterline, and then I'm gonna be using the two last colors that we did on the transition area, that brown and the dark brown, charcoal brown, and I'm gonna be blowing out my lash line. Okay, I'm using a small detail brush. It's not that fluffy, but yeah, it's not that tightly packed either. So I'm just blowing it out, and yeah, that's it. So I was experimenting with my lips. So I'm just taking a brown pencil and going over that, and then I'm going to be going in the center of my lips with a regular um, orange pencil. It was too bright, I wasn't feeling it, so I took it off and opted for a lighter, like a coral color, right? I'm going over that. Then I took the orange from the Saharan palette and I went in the center. Then I took a brown lippy, went on the side. Listen, I was really experimenting. I didn't know what I wanted to do. I went on top with a holographic gloss and put it in the center, and then after that I went on top of all of that with some clear gloss, and that's it. Thank you guys so much for staying through to the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I know I didn't do the foundation portion, but I'm gonna do a foundation routine, separate it apart, and how I avoid creasing and stuff like that. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and follow me on all my socials. And until next time, bye beauty.